as promised, Adobe has released a version of Photoshop for macOS into beta that can run on those new M1 MacBooks, but they've also released an ARM version for Windows as well, the better to run natively on, say, a Surface Pro X, quoting The Verge. While performance might be improved as the app is in beta, there are a lot of tools missing. Features like Content-Aware Fill, Patch Tool, Healing Brush, and many more are not available in the beta versions currently. Adobe lists a number of known issues for both macOS and Windows, but does note that new features will be added in the weeks ahead. The beta version isn't officially supported for daily workloads just yet, and is only accessible from the Beta Apps tab in the Creative Cloud desktop app. Adobe hasn't mentioned when other Creative Cloud apps will make the transition to ARM64, but Photoshop is a big boost for ARM-powered devices. Alongside Photoshop support, Blizzard also announced this week that World of Warcraft will run natively on ARM-powered Macs. The latest World of Warcraft includes native M1 support from day one, avoiding the Rosetta translation layer just in time for the launch of World of Warcraft Shadowlands later this month, end quote.